Guess it's been a while since I've seen the sunshine, since I have smiled. And me, who's so well versed, is feeling so damn empty, is at a loss for words. Forgot what it's like to just feel okay, praying for the day when there is no more rain. And I don't wanna do anything but cry. Oh, and I don't wanna do anything but cry. Well, I hardly feel alive. I'm going through the motions, but I don't feel like trying. The hole in my heart is growing bigger by the day. Wish that I could crawl inside